at first. For us it's morning. Good morning, dobro utro. German bread rolls called brötchen.
My favorite one, definitely.
Different topics and two types which were special. Nearly to the end of the video you will see it. But until then, let's drink coffee. Good. Let's prepare the dough. It's the easiest recipe I ever known. I'm actually using just a cup. So I'm taking 3 cups of flour. They're already inside the bowl. Plus 3 cups of medium hot water. In this case it's around 40 degrees because we don't want to blow up the yeast. A little bit salt, and then the basic is done. So let's start the mixture. 1.5 cups of 40 degrees warm water. The yeast, around 7 grams dried. If you use fresh one, 1/4. 10 grams of salt and the water. I'm using a wooden spoon. You can use your fingers if you want. Stir it up. Now the liquid is worked in. Let's place it on the plate. Just until all the flour is rubbed in and you have the normal condition from the dough. Flour is rubbed in. Bring it back into the bowl. Wash your fingers. Cover it up with a towel or with a foil on a warm place. 30 to 45 minutes depending on the room temperature. It should be significantly bigger, and then we will use the rest of our ingredients. So, it was growing a little bit. Let's loosen it from the ground because we will massage the oil now inside. Later back. Step by step, a little bit by little bit. Messy work. So the rough surface from the testo before, from the dough before, is now getting smooth and even. Slippy work. Surface a little bit. Everything goes inside. Work the air inside. Helps it growing. So back inside the bowl. Covering, resting 15-20 minutes. It will grow a bit and then we can start to work on it. The dough significant grown. We can continue to make our baked rolls. Brötchen. For this, at first losing it from the bowl a little bit. Placing a little bit flour on the ground. That you can work on it. To speed up the process, I will get help now a little bit. So. So I will just shortly form it a little bit. Two warm hands. Just a little bit. You can place it on the weight. I need around 95 to 100 grams pieces, and then I will form the baked rolls out of it. This is for you. I will wash my fingers in it. So, thank you. Slippery. Keep space. Okay. Oops. Not only one side, but the other one. The rhythm is there. Whoop. Our bacon. I baked it in the pan a little bit. I dried it out so it's not getting too oily, because this is a little bit dough. It's for two small baked rolls only. I will put the bacon, drizzle the bacon inside. Like this. Better too much as too less. So, we'll fold it over and over. We'll massage it in and form our baked rolls. Goes very nice to a soup. It's unbelievable. Just as a tip. I let them covered now 15 to 20 minutes, that they can grow an additional time. Then I will take a sharp knife or a razor blade and will cut so around 8 mm to 1 cm deep cuts in the middle from the dough, that in the oven it can go open very nicely. So 15 minutes over, I start to cut the dough. I'm using thunder. Nothing special. You can preheat the oven 230 degrees without ventilator. This one as well. Before I put the bread rolls inside the oven, I'm placing a fire heat pan or pot with water inside on the ground. This will create a very nice steam and makes the crust from the bread very nice crunchy. So now we're using the egg yolk, brushing our bread with the egg yolk around. I'm using clean egg yolk. Other people preferring egg yolk with a shot of milk. Works fine as well. On side, different toppings. Sesame seeds, just to sprinkle on top. I prepared the cumin, a little bit crushed inside. Wonderful. Oh, and this one. In Germany we call this mohn. English I have actually no idea what it is. In Macedonian afyon. I cannot get enough from it. So. This may surprise you as well a little bit. This is the cheese, but the cheese I will place 2 to 5 minutes before the bread rolls are finished, because I don't want to burn it. The bacon ones and one neutral one we will just let it like it is. Anyway, it's tasty. Let's place it in the oven. Depending on the reach temperature, 20 to 25 minutes. Check it in the time between. You don't want to have them too cross. Remember that you want to place the cheese 2 to 5 minutes before it's completely finished. So prepare your timing. Let's wait. So, 5 minutes before time is finished, like I promised, the cheese is coming. We will place it only on 2. Just on top. Nothing better as this. So. And back inside the oven. "25 minutes over. Our bread is already prepared. It looks really tasty. It smells actually perfect. The cheese is crunchy. For the bacon part I can't wait. But at first, I already prepared one. I opened it. No air inside, full lid. This is what we want to achieve. Wonderful. And bon appetit, guten appetit, na zdravie. See you next time. Feel free to watch the rest of our videos. Like us, follow us, subscribe us. See you soon. Ciao.